A transfer is when the excess fuel on the object, on the wick, comes off on the surface. So with those ground scores that I was talking about, that's a transfer. You're transferring excess fuel that's on fire that stays lit on that surface, but then it burns out and that's it. So a transfer can be dangerous if you're transferring onto something that's flammable, which is why I recommend people use fire-safe clothing that passes a burn test. I demonstrate how to do a burn test in the fire safety video. In general, the best fabrics that are readily available to people are denim, I would say, number one, and cotton, I would say, number two, although bamboo is becoming a more popular fabric. People are like, oh, well, it's fine if it's a cotton blend. Absolutely not the case, because a cotton blend where it's 20% cotton and 80% lycra is not the same as a cotton blend where it's 90% cotton and 10% lycra. Also, the tightness of the weave is relevant. Just because it's cotton doesn't mean that the weave is tight enough that it won't catch on fire. If there's too much oxygen going through, it can, which has happened to my dance partner, so it can be very scary.